my brother and I, one of the things that we loved to do all the time in the summertime was to go and pick blackberries. Blackberries are plentiful and they're free. They grow wild in the woods, and we would always come home and I would help her make a pie, blackberry pie, and we loved it. And she would always tell me that we were using her mother's recipe. And blackberry pie is a very simple dish to make. It doesn't cost very much if the blackberries are free. It's just a little sugar and then a little crust made with flour and lard. And she would tell me that there were times during the Depression when blackberry pie is all that they had to eat.